Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio inte malai O korles ozman.
Yesterday, during a meeting in the White House with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, President Trump announced his plans to take over Gaza.
The U.S. will take over the Gaza Strip, and we will do a job with it, too. We'll own it and be responsible for dismantling all of the dangerous unexploded bombs and other weapons on the site, level the site and get rid of the destroyed buildings, level it out, create an economic development that will supply unlimited numbers of jobs and housing for the people of the area. Do a real job, do something different. Just can't go back. If you go back, it's going to end up the same way it has for 100 years.
Rabbi Joe Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, has some comments on this development. Let's watch.
We were all surprised to hear President Trump's very interesting idea about America taking over Gaza. I'd like to maybe take it a step further. Why doesn't America just take over the entirety of the Holy Land? Maybe, in this meeting with the Satmar Rebbe, which is coming up in about 2 weeks, one of the Satmar Rebbes, maybe the Rebbe could suggest something like that, because then we wouldn't have this problem of Zionism anymore. It would be controlled by another entity, and it would be totally kosher if America ran the Holy Land, and then until Mashiach comes, that would be wonderful. So, that's my recommendation, is not only just take over Gaza, take over the whole thing. That would be amazing. So what are your thoughts about this? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Maybe is it perhaps a good idea for America to just take over what they call Israel and all the land that Israel won in their wars, and that would solve the issue of Zionism, because it wouldn't be Zionism anymore. I know the leftists won't like it because their opposition to Zionism is not about what the Torah says about Zionism, but rather what their ideology about colonialism or whatever nonsense. Actually, Zionism is, of course, the opposite of colonialism. It's the original, whatever you want to call indigenous peoples of those lands returning to their land. If the Native Americans from here, where I am, who are living in Oklahoma, many of them, if not most of them, would return over here, would that be colonialism? No, it would be just the opposite. It would be returning to their homeland, and it's the same thing. That's what Zionism is. But the Torah tells us that we're supposed to wait for the Messiah to come, because otherwise we'd have all of these wars that are untenable and unnecessary. When the Messiah comes, there'll be world peace, as the Bible says very clearly, that they'll turn their spears into pruning hooks and their swords into plowshares, and that all the weapons of war will be turned into implements of agriculture, and that's what we're looking forward to. So that's the question. Would that be possible? That would just be wonderful if we could just have the whole Holy Land be taken over by America, whether it be a territory or another state. Then we won't have to worry about all these issues. And then, with that being said, first of all, there wouldn't be any need anymore for the IDF, and all the Haredim who don't vote would vote, because it's not voting in an Israeli election, not calling itself a Jewish state. That would be wonderful. So what are your thoughts on that? Let me know in the comments below. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. We look forward to hearing from you all. All right. God bless you.
We hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Please also comment below. Rabbi Kolakowski loves to engage with his viewers and often makes videos directly answering or commenting on comments in the comment section below. Please also check out some of our past videos. We have well over 5,000 videos on this channel. I am sure you will find more content you will enjoy, such as Torah commentaries, videos of historical events, podcasts, and much more. God bless.
Hirzio in the Malai, O Korle.